How do I append something to an array? How do I append an object, such as a string or number, to an array in JavaScript? Use the array prototype push method to append values to an array. You can use the push function to append more than one value to an array in a single call. If you want to add the items of one array to another array, you can use first array concat, second array. Just an addition to this answer, if you want to append any value to the start of an array, that means to the first index, then you can use array prototype unshift for this purpose. It also supports appending multiple values at once, just like push. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.